Welcome to our channel. Verifying your Etsy shop account is essential for building buyer trust and accessing seller features. Follow these steps. Step 1. Log into your Etsy seller account. Navigate to Shop Manager from your account dashboard. Step 2. Click on Settings and then Info and Appearance to access your shop information. Step 3. Complete all required shop information, including shop name, banner, and detailed about section. Step 4. Add at least one listing with clear photos and detailed descriptions to activate your shop. Step 5. Set up your payment information. Add bank account details for receiving payments from sales. Step 6. Verify your bank account. Etsy will make small deposits that you'll need to confirm. Step 7. Set up billing information. Add a credit card for Etsy fees and advertising charges. Step 8. Complete tax information. Provide your tax ID or SSN for tax reporting purposes. Step 9. Enable two-factor authentication for added security. This protects your shop from unauthorized access. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.